Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're up at Gander RV in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and we're going to be looking at the 2022 Fuel F250. It's a nice sized family toy hauler. So we'll do a walk around the outside, then we'll go do an inside tour as well. Up front you got a power tongue jack and dual 30-pound propane tanks, room for 2 batteries. And this would be an aluminum framed fiberglass siding with Asdel. Pass-through storage up front. I'm sorry, this is not pass-through. This is, the other side is actually where a generator would go. So you kind of get half the storage that you'd find in a normal trailer, but decent size up front. Here you have manual scissor jacks on all 4 corners. Front entry steps, they're kind of your standard steel steps. They don't have the aluminum solid step system that a lot of these campers have nowadays, but decent size awning, nice big window on the cam side, which is really nice, and a mounting bracket for a TV. 16-inch aluminum wheels, dual axle with Rainier tires. And here's the back ramp, which also folds out into an outdoor deck area. That's really cool. Going around to the driver's side here, factory mounted ladder that's off to the side. These do have a fuel tank in the back there. And here's all your city water, satellite cable hookups, power cord, and here is where the generator would go up front. Potable water is right there, and these are pre-wired for 20 amp solar panels. All right, let's go check out the inside. All right, moving inside here. So out back here, you got this dinette portable table. Obviously, these seats do fold down into a bed. And then above that, you have an elevator bed that comes down too. So easily put 4 people back here. Decent sized kitchen for what this unit offers here. You got a single basin stainless steel sink, 3-burner Furrion stovetop, Furrion oven, high point microwave, and a TV on a swivel. Dometic propane electric fridge and freezer combo. Cabinets way up high there. Not a lot of cabinet space in the kitchen. Basically, you just got that and then up there. Here's where the convenience center is for you know, checking your tank levels, all your exterior lights, awning controls. This is the controls for that elevator bed, digital thermostat, and some USBs. Kind of a nice little nook for some cell phones. Down below is your fuse breaker. This has a Jbl Sound System with a Bass Pro. I'm not going to try it in the store here, but it looks like it could put out some decent sound. I guess you do have some cabinets over on this side too. All right, step out and take a look at this deck here. Kind of a cool little area. All right, moving back in, let's check out that bathroom and bedroom up front. So bedroom has a queen size bed with decent room to walk around on each side. You gotta shuffle a little bit, but not too bad. On each side of the bed, wardrobe, a really tall wardrobe for hanging clothes. Small drawer on each side. You do have a storage shelf above the bed. Up front here is a mounting bracket for your TV. So bathroom has 2 doors. Here you got the sliding door that you can get into from the bedroom, and then a standard swing out door that goes out into the main area there. That is a porcelain toilet. I don't know if you call that a pedestal style sink. And then no medicine cabinet, just a mirror above that. And then average to smaller size 2-piece shower. Show you what it looks like going out into the main area again here. And that is the Fuel F250. Again, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.